All right, so this is my second video following up from yesterday's trip out on Thanksgiving where I had some limited success. um, and I'm putting this together here because I'm going out tomorrow. So if I'm posting this and you're watching this, that probably means I caught some fish and put together something. So I guess, you can skip through this if you don't want to hear me ramble a little bit, but I should be catching some fish in this video. I guess a few things to clarify. I guess in the last video I said it was my first time making a YouTube video, which isn't true. If you go to like earlier on in my channel, I have one video I posted back in 2021, I think. That was a backpacking video. So if you enjoy backpacking, I'm going to probably try to put some content, some videos out about some trips that I might do. Or you could check out the old video where we went, my brother and my old roommate and I went backpacking in the Adirondacks. Did fishing on that trip, but I didn't want to disclose the location and give it away because it was such a cool spot that we were fishing. Anyways, yeah, I just want to put together these videos so that anybody watching, any of my friends that want to kind of, I guess, stay up to date with what I'm doing, that I'm not around anymore. If you guys want to watch this, that's awesome. Or just anybody who enjoys fishing. It's kind of what I made this channel for. I don't expect nor want to get a lot of views. I just want to, hopefully make somebody happy. So yeah, that's kind of the purpose of this. And I thank you for watching. And if you've listened to me talk this far, then you probably hate me because you want to watch fishing. So let's get into those videos now. Thank you.
GoPro stop recording. All right, so I made it to the stream. I'm at the lowest part of this easement, and you can see that there's a tributary coming in there. And if you watched the last video, I explained that the size of the river pretty much doubles when it meets up with that creek. And no joke, you can see here, this is bigger water. It looks pretty promising as far as the flow for this pool. So we can try it out. I'm going to cast down to these fish if there are any in this pool, and then we're just going to work our way upstream. So see what happens. So my top fly is going to be this black stone, just kind of really just to get it down. I expect, like the other day and most days with the rainbows, to get stuff on the glow bug. Below, I guess I should explain what this is. It's kind of a unique type of indicator. They're made by Ghost Tech, which basically I think it's just bubble wrap that the guy cuts into these wafers that get, I guess you can kind of see that there's a little screw, I guess a bolt that goes up through the middle of the wafers in between the bubbles, and a little nut that tightens it down on top. So it's really lightweight, and just really, when they're white like that, they just look like the bubbles. You see like the bubble line? It blends in so well, almost too well, so that you have to like really keep track of where your indicator is. but it just blends in so well, rides low to the surface, and it's just my favorite indicator to use. Plus, the guy who makes them is from Pennsylvania, so I always like to support my people back home. But yeah, this hole looks pretty promising right below this tributary here. It's deep, and if I can get this to dredge down low, then it's probably a good shot that there's some fish in here. There's fish. Rainbow. I think he's on the stonefly, actually. I think he got wrapped. No, he's on the egg. Never mind. It's on the egg. Cool. All right. The egg strikes again. Oops. Let's get two. There we go. Fish number 1 on the day. Beautiful rainbow. Beautiful scales. Healthy fish. Found something crazy, guys. It is like 28 degrees out, and there's this frog just chilling here. They burrow under the water during the winter, so I'm just gonna set him in here. He's fully, I mean, he's moving. You can see him moving. He's alive. I think we'll just let him be. I can't mess with him. Let him do his thing. He's definitely like completely lethargic with this cold water, but here's a fish. First one on the stonefly. That's good news. The egg's reign of terror is over. We got a taker on the stonefly. About the same size as the one I just caught. It's a nice little run here. Yeah, these little guys are piled up in this spot. So see if I can't pick off some more. Okay, so total of 4 fish again today. Today was a little bit more of a grind. I definitely covered a lot more stream miles than I did yesterday or 2 days ago. And really it was like those 3 fish that were stacked up in that one hole. I'm not sure what's going on. There's so many good looking holes. Yeah, fish just weren't holding, or the bite turned off, I guess. It did get really cold. I think it's like in the 20s again right now. And it was 40 degrees when I caught those fish, so maybe that had something to do with it. But yeah, gonna put something together now, and if you're watching this, thanks for watching, and catch you later. Thanks.